Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to master Whimsical in 2026. Whether you're a beginner or you've already used the platform before, these tips will help you work faster and create better visual projects. So let's get started. First, get familiar with the different board types, including flowcharts, mind maps, wireframes, documents, and diagrams. Yeah, choosing the right workspace makes every project easier to build. Next, learn the basic tools like shapes, connectors, text, sticky notes, and keyboard shortcuts. Mastering these simple features can save you a lot of time every day. Now, explore whimsical templates to speed up your workflow instead of starting every project from scratch. You can customize any template to match your own ideas and requirements. If you're working with others, use the sharing and collaboration features to edit boards together, leave comments, and organize feedback in real time. This keeps everyone on the same page throughout the project. Finally, experiment with Whimsical AI to generate diagrams, brainstorm ideas, and build visual content even faster. The more you practice using these tools, the more productive you'll become. And that's it. Now you know the key steps to master Whimsical. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.